All right, here we have number 4. A game consists of rolling 2 dice. Find the sum. If the sum equals to 7, you win $10. If you roll double, which are like 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, you win $5. Here we're going to create a sample space. So we can do a tree diagram, or you can set it up like a table. So here, the first dice, okay, I can roll 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then the second dice is going to be the vertical 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I just fill those in. Okay, I prepared a chart right here that makes my life easier. That gives you all the total possibilities right there. Okay, and then from here we can make our Venn diagram. So here is 6 out of 6, 6 out of 36. Sorry, 36 out of 36. Okay, which is just the value of 1. Okay, well, let's leave it in a fraction for the sake of this problem. Okay, 36 over 36, right? And then what's the chance of getting a double? So a double would be this: 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, and 6, 6. So that would be 6 out of 36. What's the chance of getting a 7? 1 plus 6 is 7, 2 plus 5 is 7, 3 plus 4 is 7, 4 plus 3 is 7, 5 plus 2 is 7, 6 plus 1 is 7. That is 6 over 36. What's the chance of getting both a 7 and a double? Notice there is no intersection, so that is a 0 over 36. From here, we could fill out the rest. So this would be 0 plus blank equals to 6 over 36. So this has to be 6 over 36. And here, this would also has to be 6 over 36, because 0 plus 6 has to be total equal to 36. 6 plus blank equals to 36. That is a 30 over 36. Likewise, this is also 30 over 36, because it has to add up there. And in the middle here is the, I think, 6 minus 30, which is 24 over 36. So there you go. That's all my possibilities. So what is the probability of winning $10? Well, $10 is if it equals 7. Okay, and that looks like that is right here. This is your $10. So that is your probability of getting a 7, which is going to be 6 over 36. Let's see. Do I have that in a percentage? 6 over 36. No. 6 over 36 times 100. That's roughly 16.67%. What's the probability of winning 7? So winning $5, which is a double, which is going to be 6 over 36, which is roughly, again, 16.67%. Okay, what's the chance of winning some money? So it's the OR. The OR is basically P, probability of a 7 or a double. So that's just the probability of a 7 plus the probability of a double minus the intersection of a 7 and a double. Notice the 7 over minus the 7 and double right here is 0. So that's 0 over 36. The probability of getting a 7, we see that, that is 6 over 36. We're going to add that to probability of getting a double, which is 6 over 36. So if you do that, it's 6 over 36 plus 6 over 36, which is 12 over 36. 12 divided by 36 times 100. That gets you roughly 33.33%. Lastly, are they mutually exclusive? Again, mutually exclusive, and there is no overlap. Notice here, there is no and. So there is no probability of 7 and double. So here we said yes, this is mutually exclusive, and the reason why is because there is no overlap. There is no 7 and a double.